Welcome back once again. My name is Mosimi Alake, a Mastercard Foundation scholar at Arizona State University. Today, we're going to talk about something that can make or break your application, your essays. These essays are your opportunity to speak directly to the selection committee to show them not just what you've done, but who you are and why it matters. Right. I'm going to share some general tips before we go into the specifics of each of the essays. The first thing is to understand the question. This step may sound obvious, but it's where many people miss it. Before you start writing, read the prompt carefully. Ask yourself, what exactly are they asking me to explain? Are they asking for motivation, experience, leadership, or future goals? Then break the question into parts. If the prompt says describe your motivation and how this program aligns with your goals, that's already two sections: motivation and alignment. Understanding the question ensures that you are answering what's asked, not what you wish to say. The second tip I'll be giving you is plan before you write. Don't rush to your keyboard. Take about 10 to 15 minutes to outline your thoughts before you start writing. Write down the key points for each section. What story or example will I use? What lessons or results came from it? How does this connect to my goals or program? Planning your essay helps you stay organized and ensures you cover every part of the question without repeating yourself. Another one is show, don't just tell. See, selection committees read hundreds and thousands of essays. What makes yours stand out is storytelling. Instead of saying I'm passionate about education or medicine or healthcare, you have to show it through experience. After seeing children in my community drop out of school, I started weekend reading sessions under a mango tree. Within 3 months, attendance grew from 5 to 30 children. That's a story, it's vivid, it's proof. Use the STAR approach when you are telling your stories: situation, task, action, and result. And I'm going to explain that a bit more when we get into the specifics of the essays, right? The STAR approach helps you structure your story and it gives you essay flow and substance. The next one is be authentic. I have said this word so many times. You don't need to sound perfect. You just need to be real. Remember, when I went through the section on the FAQs, they said it's okay to use AI if you want. You cannot copy and paste from AI and think that it would scale through. No, it won't happen. Your story has to be real. It has to sound like you. Your essays can't be littered with jargons like tapestry, dive, or what are the other jargons that ChatGPT uses when writing, right? You have to be honest about your journey. You can use AI maybe for grammatical correction, but the story has to be you. It cannot be given AI. It has to be given you. If you failed at something and learned from it, that's strength. If you discovered your purpose through a challenge, share it. Reviewers look for reflection. They want to see growth, not just success. It's also important to link your past, present, and future. Every essay that you write should have a flow. Look, this is not just applicable to the technology and innovation scholarship. Honestly, you can apply it in whatever essay or applications you're going through. Every essay should have a flow. Past, what shaped your interest? The present, what are you doing now that builds on that? The future, how will this program help you achieve your goals? When you link these three things, your essay then feels complete and intentional. Another important thing is to review your essay, edit, and get feedback. Don't submit the instant you are done writing your essay. That means you cannot wait till the last minute. This scholarship application closes on the 2nd of November. So you wake up on the morning of November 2nd and decide that that's when you want to start writing your essay. Something is bound to happen. So after your first draft, take a break. Leave it for a few hours, a few days, then come back with fresh eyes. Check for clarity. Does every sentence in this essay add value to my story? Remember, you have just 450 to 500 words. The consistency, do your examples match what your resume says? If, for instance, in your essay, you're giving examples of how you raised someone from the dead through an experiment that you perfected or something like that, and in your resume, you've been a teacher all your life, your the internship opportunities you went for involved teaching. There's nothing in your resume that says you know anything about medicine or you've interned with a medical firm. It has to gel. Everything has to align. Your story has to gel. Then check for grammar and flow. Is it easy to read out loud? Ask a friend, mentor, or fellow scholar to read it. You cannot write an essay and blunder everywhere. You're mixing up tenses, you have typographical errors, and you submit it at like it doesn't show excellence. It doesn't show excellence. I don't want to shout. I come in peace, dear scholars, or with peace scholars. Ask someone to help you read it. Sometimes another person can spot the things that we miss. All right. And in conclusion, to sum up, really, great essays are not written in one sitting. It takes time. So don't rush it. Start now so that before the deadline, you're ready. Remember, you need to understand the question. You need to plan your story. Show. Don't just tell. Be authentic. Link your past, present, and future. And you see, these essays are not just about getting in. The more you write, the better you become at discovering your own voice, telling your story. Look, you have a story that matters. You have a story that matters. But take your time, reflect deeply, and let us enjoy the benefits of hearing you share that story. You've got this, and I'm cheering for you. In the next video, I'm going to talk specifically about the essays. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share with someone in your community that you know really needs this. Someone who has been clamoring for graduate study abroad. Share with them.